So this is a Supra that's the guy purchased about a month ago, and he's had it out quite a lot. And he said it's smoking and sinking. So we said, let us deal with the sinking problem first and see where this is going. So we've got it filled up with water. Only place we're seeing water come out, for the most part. It's been running out of his exhaust now for a while. And you can see it's not that full of water, but it's got water covering up everything it should be leaking. His prop's just been reconditioned. He said he hit something and sent it off and had it redone. This front skeg, we didn't do that. He said he did that. So it was leaking just a little bit, and it still is. But that's just a few drips. That shouldn't do anything like what he was complaining about. His prop shaft cutlass bearing is leaking just a little bit, which is normal. And also his strut is dripping also. But those drips are nothing compared to what's running out of his exhaust. You can see the solid stream running out of his exhaust. So what that means is that he's melted or cracked, or something's wrong with the exhaust system, so when it starts up and runs, it'll be pumping water into the boat. So our next thing is we're going to go ahead and drain all the water out and then start it and see if it fills up the boat. So we're going to find something wrong with his exhaust system, where the exhaust is exhausting into the boat instead of out the back.